Looking for garage storage cabinets that are as tough as they are stylish? Moduline Aluminum Cabinets has been the trusted leader in premium storage solutions for over 30 years. Our garage storage cabinets, made from military-grade aluminum, are durable, rust-resistant, and built to last. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a professional mechanic, or just want to organize your garage, we have the perfect cabinet system for you. Our cabinets aren't just for garages. They're used in trailers, shops, and even military applications. Each cabinet is made in the USA and designed for maximum durability, with customizable options to fit any space. Plus, our team offers free design consultations to help you create the perfect setup. When you choose Moduline, you're getting more than just garage storage cabinets. You're investing in superior quality, expert craftsmanship, and a solution built to last. Get started today at modulinecabinets.com.